Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID 19. As we have started this chapter, manufacturing industries, and in the previous module, we discussed about the factors affecting the location of industries. In this module, we are going to discuss about some major industries and some major industries of the world, and out of that mainly will focus over this iron and steel industries of the world. So let us begin, students. So some major industries of the world. So in this there are three industries has been given in the syllabus of your class. First one is iron and steel industry. So as this iron and steel industry is basically a key industry for development of any other industry. So this is given in your syllabus. Cotton textile industries and information technology. About these separately we'll discuss in the different other modules. So in this particular module we are going to focus over this iron and steel industry. So let us begin, students. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is the backbone of modern civilization. Backbone, you can say that as the backbone of a human being is helping to stand straight to balance the body. Similarly, the iron steel industry is the basic requirement for development of the civilization, for the development of any region, for the development of any country. It provides industrial base for the manufacture of many other industrial products. Thus is known as the basic industry. So this is known as basic industry. Iron ore occurs in abundance in many parts of the world, as iron is obtained from the iron ore. Mainly the two iron ores are there, the magnetite and hematite. It is estimated that 65% machines and utensils are made up of steels. So that way you can understand how much importance this iron is there for the industrial development of any country. So for all the countries, the iron and steel industry is very much important. The iron and steel industry is widely distributed in the world. In USA, Alabama state, the Atlantic coast and the Great Lakes region are the main producers. In Europe, it is well distributed in France, Germany, Italy, Western Europe, UK, and the Ural Mountains region in Russia. China, India, and Japan are other major producers of iron and steel in Asia. The art of manufacturing iron and steel industry is believed to be known to India over the thousand of years before Christ, and the proof of that, the rust-free iron pillar at Qutub Minar in Delhi is the standing proof of the quality of the iron produced in this country. So you can understand कि so many earlier such kind of iron and steel industry means iron was available in our country. That Qutub Minar is still standing with a rust-free iron. The first modern iron and steel industry was established in 1907 when Tata Iron and Steel Company TISCO was set up at Sakchi, Jamshedpur, now in Jharkhand state. At present, India has 10 major integrated steel plants and 180 minor steel plants spread all over the country. Besides TISCO, at Jamshedpur, the other important steel manufacturing centers are Indian Iron and Steel Company (IISCO) at Burnpur in West Bengal. The three steel plants in public sector are at Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela, and Odisha and Durgapur in West Bengal. These are under the management of Steel Authority of India Limited (SAIL) and undertaking of Government of India. Numerous other major and minor steel plants are spread all over peninsular India, which is known for its large reserve of iron ore, coal, and limestone. So you can see in the map of India that most of the industries are located in this South India only, and that is showing that iron and the other required material in the iron and steel industry are abundantly available in the peninsular India. They are essential raw materials used in the manufacturing of iron and steel industries, which are that iron ore, coal, and limestone. The presence of favorable factors like availability of raw material, thermal power, cheap labor, proximity to the big market make peninsular India an ideal region for the concentration of large number of iron and steel industries. So all these required geographical features are available in the peninsular part of the country. So that makes the presence of maximum iron and steel industry in peninsular India. Now, Tata and Iron Steel Company, TISCO, Jamshedpur. So TISCO was established at Jamshedpur nearly over 100 years ago by Sir Jamshedji Tata. Here, image or photo of Mr. Jamshedji Tata. It had a fascinating beginning as it led to founding of a new city by the late Jamshedji uh, Nusarwanji Tata at Sakchi, which was named later as Jamshedpur. It is located in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand state. The city enjoys advantage of location as it is surrounded by beautiful Dalma hills of Chota Nagpur plateau and Subarnekha and Kharkai rivers. So these are the two main geographical features available. The rivers and the hills. These rivers provide abundant water supply to the plant by its various activities. The areas surrounding Jamshedpur are rich in minerals like coking coal from Jharia and iron ore, limestone and manganese from Jamadoba, Noamunde and West Boka. It has its own thermal electricity plant and the region is served by a good road rail network and is within easy reach of Kolkata port. Jamshedpur now serves as major industrial city with a large range of industries located here like truck manufacturing, tin plates, iron sheets, locomotives, rails, wheels and sleepers of railways. Beside manufacturing iron and steel on a large scale. It employs a large number of people and thus generate wealth through manufacturing activities in the region. So this was all about that means iron and steel industry given in the chapter. So students, thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet with next topic in the next module. So have a nice day, students.